When winter hits hard, choosing the right tire can make all the difference. Today, we compare two giants in the winter tire world, the studded Nokian Hakkapeliitta 10 and the studless Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5. Both are built by Nokian, the Nordic specialists known for dominating the cold weather tire market. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the studded Nokian Hakkapeliitta 10 set as the reference point at 100%. First, let's dive into their performance on ice, the most critical factor for extreme winter conditions. The Hakkapeliitta 10, equipped with metal studs, leads in ice breaking. In a test, it stopped 3.48 meters or 11 feet shorter than the studless Hakkapeliitta R5. When it comes to acceleration on ice, the Hakkapeliitta 10 was faster by 2.83 seconds from 5 kilometers per hour to 20 kilometers per hour. But when it comes to ice handling, the Hakkapeliitta R5 strikes back. Its softer compound gave it better control, finishing laps 0.83 seconds faster than the Hakkapeliitta 10. Subjectively, drivers felt more confident with the R5, rating it 5 points higher for ice handling. In ice performance, both tires have their strengths. The Hakkapeliitta 10 dominates in objective performance, while the R5 excels in subjective handling. Now let's move to snow, another crucial area for Nordic winter tires. The Hakkapeliitta 10 and Hakkapeliitta R5 delivered very similar results on snow. In snow braking, both tires stopped at an equal distance of 15.5 meters from 40 kilometers per hour to 5 kilometers per hour. The R5 had a slight edge in snow traction, accelerating 0.09 seconds faster than the Hakkapeliitta 10. In terms of snow handling, both tires performed nearly identically in lap times and subjective ratings. There's no clear winner in snow, with both tires excelling in different ways. Finally, when it comes to rolling resistance, the studless Hakkapeliitta R5 has a significant advantage, reducing rolling resistance by 13% compared to the Hakkapeliitta 10. This makes the R5 the more eco-friendly option. So, what's the verdict? The Nokian Hakkapeliitta 10 excels supremely in ice braking and ice traction, while the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 shines in ice handling and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.